Looking for exciting roller coasters, enchanting attractions, or spectacular park shows? Everyone will find what they are looking for in Efteling. Discover the largest theme park in the Netherlands, a unique park in the middle of nature. Efteling is the best-known theme park in Holland. It has been welcoming people to its World of Wonders since 1952. Holland's biggest theme park started out with the Fairy Tale Forest, which brought famous fairy tales and sagas to life. Through the years, the park evolved into a modern theme park with the most modern attractions, a hotel, a holiday park. Since 2010, Efteling has been open every day. It is one of the best theme parks in Europe and draws millions of visitors from Holland and abroad each year. Efteling consists of a central area and 4 realms. Fairy tales and sagas are brought to life in the fairy realm. The roller coasters and other attractions in the adventure realm guarantee a lot of excitement and sensation. See if you can visit the forbidden cities and haunted castles in the alternative realm without breaking a sweat. Travel through Holland's top theme park by boat, train, and another means of transport in the travel realm. Naturally, the park has countless restaurants where you can rest up with a drink and a bite. Efteling is open in winter as well, so why not visit Winter Efteling, the winter wonderland in Holland? At the Efteling, you will experience all the fairy tales ever written down. This famous family park in the south of the Netherlands in the town of Kaatsheuvel offers fun for all. You can walk through the fairy tale forest, get on the scary roller coaster ride, and enjoy the daily shows. Guests can stay at Efteling overnight, where there are theme hotel rooms and holiday homes. To get to Efteling, it is 30 minutes from Eindhoven Airport or a 3-hour drive from Calais. At least 2 days are required if you want to do everything in the park and enjoy every ride and show. Download the Efteling Park application and plan ahead.